The subject of this video is SharePoint Document Versioning. So let's go to your site, go to a document library, and we'll click on Settings, Library Settings, More Settings, and then we'll go to Version Settings. So document versioning enables you to keep iterations of a document. So it's important to do this because if you are working on a document, a section's accidentally deleted, you can recover the document from a prior version. Or if an error has been made in a document and a section's been removed, you can use the prior version and recover the whole document. Or if a document becomes corrupt, you can, restore the prior version. This is also important, for auditing and quality control, that sort of thing. So the first setting, I always enable that. It's a peer review of the document for quality control. So you have an author, you have an editor, peers that are reviewing your document for quality, grammar, spelling, technical accuracy. The next is versioning. I go with typically just major versions. I usually go with about 150 to 100. Your auditors or company policy may have specific numbers you're supposed to use, so check with them. I leave that setting as is. And then I set check in, check out so that it forces a checkout and comments. And that's another aspect of quality control and auditing. So let's go back to the document library. Let's find a file, click on the ellipses, and we'll check it out. Okay, now we can see the dot is checked out. Now let's click open, and let's go open an app. And let's add some content. You can type in anything you like. And then when you're done, let's go File, Save. Okay, so that's the first step of 3. Now we got to check it in. If we decided we wanted to discard it, we could click on Discard Checkout. But we're going to check our document in. So click on Check In. And now we're going to enter comment. We're going to enter comment saying that we've done a quality check review, added, a section of content, etc., and then just click check in. You could keep it checked out if you wanted, but we're just going to check it in. Okay, so close Excel. Let's go back to the library. Okay, let's go to version history. So click on the ellipses. Version history. Now it says approval is pending. So here's that peer review, that one setting that we added requires review. So go to there and just wait a second. Sometimes the interface is slow to respond. There we go. Approve, reject. So let's click approved. Let's say we did our quality check. Everything looks okay. When you've finished typing that in, and make sure it's all correct, and then click OK. And then we go back to version history again, and we can see the file is checked in. So versioning is a great way of managing quality for documents. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.